Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can merge all of your video layers to one. So as you can see, I have 3 layers. Going to click on this one, and then I'm going to press select all layers. Here you can organize your layers too, as you can see. But I'm just going to merge my layers, so I'm just going to go back. And then I'm going to go up here. As you can see, there's like the triangle with the circle on the top. I'm just going to choose this one to merge all of my layers. And that is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!